Hello guys! Hello, let's start with WACO glider. It is the exact same procedure as with DC3. Now use activator for the CA glue. And proceed the same way with next part of the wing. Okay, now we reinforce the wing with filament. The polyester one is great for this. Now you can use thin CA glue or medium CA glue. Just apply the thin CA glue with the nozzle. So now continue with ailerons. L, the letter L, so left side aileron, this is important. Okay. Check it. Okay, now finish the ailerons. Again use polyester. Push it carefully. Right. And the basic wing is finished. Okay.